A brown noser.
Hey John, what's up?
Not much, just thinking.
About what? Tell me.
Todd, he's a brown noser.
Yeah, I know what you mean.
He's always kissing up.
To who? The boss?
Yeah, he's always around.
That's not good, right?
No, it's not genuine.
He's just trying to impress.
Exactly, it's so obvious.
Do you think the boss knows?
I'm not sure, but maybe.
Todd's not fooling anyone.
Yeah, it's pretty pathetic.
I wonder what he gets.
Probably some special treatment.
That's not fair to us.
No, it's not at all.
We work just as hard.
But we don't kiss up.
That's not our style, right?
No, we're genuine people.
Todd's just a brown noser.
Yeah, he's not authentic.
I don't like that guy.
Me neither, he's annoying.
He's always trying too hard.
It's like he's desperate.
I wonder what he wants.
Probably a promotion or raise.
He's not going to get it.
Not if he keeps this up.
He needs to be himself.
That's the only way, right?
Yeah, it's the only way.
Todd's not going to change.
No, he's too far gone.
Let's just focus on us.
Yeah, let's do our best.